Welcome to the channel. If you love spending time in the kitchen or want to unlock your inner chef, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into game-changing kitchen gadgets that help you prep, cook, and serve with ease, precision, and creativity. Links to all products are in the description. Let's get started. Coming in as number 1 is the Rolling Grilling Basket. The Rolling Grilling Basket is a game changer for outdoor cooking, offering a simple yet brilliant solution to common grilling frustrations. No more losing small or delicate foods like chopped vegetables, shrimp, or even fries through the grill grates. This stainless steel mesh cylinder allows you to easily tumble and rotate your food for even cooking and perfect charring, ensuring everything gets that delicious smoky flavor without falling apart. It's incredibly versatile for camping, picnics, or backyard BBQs, making it a must-have accessory for anyone who wants to grill a wider variety of foods with less mess and more control. Plus, the durable stainless steel construction makes it easy to clean and built to last. Number 2 is the Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set offers a significant upgrade to your kitchen, blending convenience with precision. Its rechargeable design eliminates the hassle and cost of constantly buying batteries, while the wide 1.8-inch mouth and 4.5-ounce large capacity make refilling a breeze. The most compelling feature is the one-hand operation, allowing you to season food effortlessly while stirring or holding other ingredients. A true game changer for busy cooks or those with limited hand mobility. With adjustable coarseness, you can achieve the perfect grind for any dish, from fine powder to coarse flakes, ensuring optimal flavor and texture every time. Plus, the included storage base keeps your counter tidy and your grinders ready for action. Number 3 is the Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block Holder. The Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block Holder is an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering a blend of safety, hygiene, and aesthetic appeal. Unlike traditional knife blocks that can harbor germs in their slots, a magnetic holder openly displays your knives, allowing for better air circulation and easier cleaning, promoting a more hygienic cooking environment. The strong, enhanced magnets securely hold a variety of knives, preventing dulling of blades often caused by jostling in drawers and ensuring your sharpest tools are always safely within reach. Beyond functionality, its sleek, minimalistic design provides a modern touch to your countertop while keeping your essential cutting tools organized and readily accessible, streamlining your cooking process. Number 4 is the Priority Chef Large 15-ounce Potato Ricer. The Priority Chef Large 15-ounce Potato Ricer is a smart move for anyone who loves perfectly smooth, lump-free mashed potatoes. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensures durability and makes mashing effortless, even with larger batches, thanks to its generous 15-ounce capacity. Unlike traditional mashers that can leave chunks, this ricer forces cooked potatoes through small holes, resulting in a consistent, airy, and creamy texture every time, just like a professional chef. It's also versatile, great for pureeing other root vegetables, making baby food, or even pressing excess water from greens. If you're tired of lumpy mash and want consistently superior results, this tool is an invaluable kitchen gadget. Number 5 is the Electric Mason Cordless Vacuum Sealer Kit. The Electric Mason Cordless Vacuum Sealer Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about extending the freshness of their food and reducing waste. By removing air from your wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars, it significantly slows down oxidation, preventing spoilage, freezer burn, and maintaining the quality of dry goods like grains, coffee, and nuts, as well as refrigerated items like cut vegetables and leftovers. Its cordless design offers unparalleled convenience, allowing you to seal jars anywhere in your kitchen without being tethered to an outlet. This not only keeps food fresher for longer, saving you money on groceries, but also creates an ideal oxygen-free environment for fermentation projects, making it a versatile tool for both everyday food storage and culinary experiments. Number 6 is the Wall Touchscreen Toaster. The Wall Touchscreen Toaster offers a significant upgrade to your breakfast routine, combining modern convenience with precise control. Its intuitive digital touchscreen and timer eliminates guesswork, allowing you to achieve your desired toast shade every time. While the sound function signals when your toast is ready, the extra-wide slots are perfect for accommodating a variety of bread types, from thick bagels to artisanal slices, ensuring even toasting regardless of size. With dedicated functions for bagel, cancel, and defrost, this smart toaster provides versatility and ease of use, making your morning smoother and your toast consistently perfect. Number 7 is the Linson Stainless Steel Hanging Trash Can. The Linson Stainless Steel Hanging Trash Can is an excellent solution for efficient and discreet waste management in any kitchen. Its compact 2-gallon size is perfect for handling daily food scraps and compostables without taking up valuable floor space thanks to its versatile hanging design that allows for countertop, undersink, or wall mounting. The durable stainless steel construction offers both a sleek aesthetic and easy cleaning, while the included lid effectively contains odors, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. Furthermore, the removable inner bucket simplifies emptying and cleaning, making this small garbage bin a highly practical and hygienic addition to your cooking space. Number 8 is the Comfora Bamboo Fruit Basket. The Comfora Bamboo Fruit Basket is a stylish and highly practical addition to any kitchen. Perfect for keeping your produce fresh and accessible, its 3-tier design maximizes vertical storage on your countertop, freeing up valuable space while allowing for excellent air circulation around your fruits and vegetables, which helps them ripen evenly and last longer. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, it offers a natural, elegant aesthetic that complements various kitchen decors. The inclusion of 2 hangers adds even more versatility for items like bananas, preventing bruising. Easy to assemble and built to last, this stand is an ideal solution for organized and appealing produce storage. Number 9 is the LKNC Vacuum Sealer Machine. The LKNC Vacuum Sealer Machine is an excellent investment for anyone looking to extend the freshness of their food and streamline kitchen organization. Its 75 kilopascal precision suction power ensures a strong, airtight seal for both dry and moist foods, preserving them up to 8 times longer than conventional storage methods. The 6-in-1 functionality, including dry and moist modes, vacuum and seal options, external vacuum for jars, and a built-in cutter, offers remarkable versatility for a variety of food types and storage needs, making it easy to prepare meals in advance and reduce waste. The compact, user-friendly design fits easily into small kitchens, while the digital timer and quick operation allow for efficient sealing and hassle-free cleanup. With a starter kit of 10 vacuum bags and an included cutter, this sealer provides everything you need to get started, making it a practical and cost-effective choice for home cooks who value freshness and convenience. Number 10 is the Swamily 48 Glass Spice Jar Set. The Swamily 48 Glass Spice Jar Set is an excellent investment for organizing and elevating your kitchen spice collection. With 48 square glass jars, each holding 4 ounces, you'll have ample space to store a wide variety of spices and herbs. The airtight caps ensure your spices stay fresh and flavorful for longer, while the Pour Sift shaker lids offer convenient dispensing options. The included 713 spice labels and chalk marker allow for easy customization and identification of your spices, helping you maintain an organized and visually appealing spice rack. The addition of a funnel makes filling the jars mess-free and efficient. This comprehensive set not only streamlines your cooking process, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. Whether you're an avid home cook or just starting to explore culinary adventures, this spice jar set provides a practical and stylish solution for all your seasoning needs. Number 11 is the Full Star Safer Mandolin Slicer. The Full Star Safer Mandolin Slicer is an essential kitchen gadget that combines versatility, efficiency, and safety. With multiple interchangeable blades, it allows you to slice, julienne, and dice vegetables and fruits effortlessly, making meal preparation faster and more enjoyable. Its adjustable settings let you customize the thickness of your cuts, ensuring precision for dishes like salads, stir-fries, or potato chips. Designed with safety in mind, it includes a handguard and protective glove to keep your fingers safe while slicing. The non-slip base and built-in catch tray minimize mess and ensure stability during use. Made from BPA-free, high-quality materials, it is both durable and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, the Full Star Mandolin Slicer offers convenience and consistency, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 12 is the KDSKC Tinfoil Organizer. The KDSKC Tinfoil Organizer for Drawer is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to keep their kitchen essentials neatly stored and easily accessible. This 3-in-1 acrylic organizer allows you to store tinfoil, plastic wrap, and parchment paper, each with its own dispenser and built-in cutter for quick, precise tearing, eliminating the frustration of crumpled edges or lost ends. The sturdy, rock-solid acrylic construction ensures durability and a sleek, transparent look that fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, while the included 12 labels help you quickly identify contents and maintain a well-organized space. Number 13 is the LifeWit Rice Dispenser. The LifeWit Rice Dispenser is a practical and efficient solution for keeping your rice fresh, organized, and easily accessible. With a generous capacity of 25 pounds, it allows you to store large quantities of rice or other grains while maintaining their hygiene and freshness. Its airtight design, featuring a sealing ring, prevents moisture and odors from compromising the quality of your grains. The user-friendly one-touch dispensing mechanism ensures precise portioning, while the transparent scale lets you monitor the remaining quantity at a glance. The included measuring cup, complete with drainage holes, simplifies both measuring and washing rice. Compact and space-saving, this dispenser fits seamlessly into your kitchen or pantry without taking up excessive room. Made from durable, BPA-free materials, it's both safe and easy to clean. Whether you're looking to streamline meal prep or reduce waste, the LifeWit Rice Dispenser offers convenience, functionality, and style for any household.